Okay guys, welcome to yet another interesting video on this channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys another method of making crazy money with affiliate marketing using a very new method I have never discussed anywhere on this channel, and this is a method I am presently using myself. So you want to be sure to watch this video all the way to the end. There are going to be 4 steps in this video, and you want to capture all the 4 steps in order to be able to utilize this method efficiently. If you're new here, this channel is all about making money online, and once in a while we review investments and businesses because trust me, I know a thing or two about those. So if these are topics that interest you, please do me a favor by clicking the red subscribe button and the notification bell so anytime I drop a new video, you'll be notified that I dropped a new video. Also, before I get into the video, please smash the like button for me, as that will definitely help this video out in the eyes of the YouTube algorithm. Thank you. Alright, so with that said, the method we're going to be exploring in this video is YouTube Shorts. Now, YouTube Shorts is something that has been going wild very recently in the past few months. YouTube has been trying to compete with TikTok recently, and they just earmarked $100 million that they are going to distribute to creators that are creating YouTube short videos. But our interest is in the money that YouTube is sharing. Yes, it would be nice to get a piece of this $100 million by creating your own YouTube shorts, but what we're interested in is the audience that will view our YouTube short content. I came here to YouTube and I searched woodworking shorts just to give you an idea of the kind of views that woodworking short videos are getting. So you see that this one has 268,000 views. It is just 44 seconds long. This one is 23 seconds long with 930,000 views, almost 1 million views. Okay, if you scroll down, now look at this. This is 41 million views, guys. 30 seconds long. Okay, 30 seconds long with 41 million views. And the problem is that this guy hasn't made a penny from this video yet. He hasn't made a penny from this video yet. And how can I tell? I can tell because there are no affiliate links in these YouTube shorts. Go ahead and watch this video. If we scroll down here in this video, you'll be able to see that in the description of his video and in the comment section, there are no affiliate links. This is bad. This is 41 million potential customers gone to waste. Okay, anytime you create a YouTube shorts, what you need to do is to make sure that your video is related in some way to an affiliate product or service, which you would now link in the description. That is how to kill it with YouTube shorts. That is what I'm going to explain in this video. Now imagine that this guy puts an affiliate link in this video. Let me just pull up my calculator real quick. Okay, this video had 41 million views. 41 million views. Let us work with the worst case scenario. Let's say he had a 1% click-through rate. Only 1% of the 41 million people clicked his affiliate link. So we're going to multiply this by 0.01. So that gives us 410,000. So 410,000 people clicked the link. Now, out of these 410,000 people, let's also assume that only 1% of them clicked. So we're going to multiply this by 0.01 as well. So we worked with the absolute worst case scenario, and he had 4,100 sales. Imagine every product you sold, you got only $1. This is $4,000, guys. And we know that on average on ClickBank, you can always see products that have average commissions of $50 to $100. So let's just work with $50. So let us assume that for every product you successfully sell, you make $50 commission. So if you multiply this by $50, this is $205,000, guys. This is the amount of money that this guy could have made from these YouTube Shorts videos, but he did not put any affiliate link. Now, I'm not saying that if you just create one YouTube Shorts, you would then go ahead and get all these views. No, that's not the way YouTube Shorts work. In fact, that is not the way it works on any platform for that matter. Every YouTube Shorts you create, just like every YouTube video you create or any article you put on a blog, it is just a seed you sow, and you need to sow so many seeds. Okay, one of them is going to germinate, and that's the one that's going to make you the most money. It's just like the 80-20 rule. 80% of the money you make is going to come from 20% of the things you do. So if you have 100 YouTube Shorts, 80% of the money you make from the shorts are going to come from 20% of your videos, if that makes sense. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you a channel that I recently created, and I've posted videos on the channel, and I also posted shorts, and the shorts are outperforming the videos. I'm going to show you that, but I'm going to show you that at the end of the video. So now I'm going to walk you guys through the 4 steps. The first step is to pick a niche. You definitely want to pick a niche. You don't want to be posting shorts on every kind of niche on the same channel. The most popular 4 niches are health and fitness, wealth and money, love and relationships, and then spirituality niche. These are the most popular and the biggest, broadest niches out there. But as you can see that this woodworking video got 41 million views. So do not let anybody fool you or deceive you into thinking that you just have to fall into these 4 categories. You can crush it in any other niche. The most important thing is just to pick a niche. Now the second step is to decide which affiliate product to promote. I have already covered that in one of the videos in the affiliate marketing series on this channel, so be sure to check it out. I'm going to link it in the eye above and also in the description box below. For this video, we're going to be selecting products from ClickBank, and ClickBank is just an affiliate marketplace where vendors drop products and then affiliates like you and I go ahead and promote the products. But aside ClickBank, there are so many affiliate marketplaces. There is Digital24, there is JVZoo. There are a lot of affiliate marketplaces available to pick products from. So with that said, if you're using ClickBank, on the left of the screen, you'll be able to see all the categories of products that you can select from. If you're going to pick from health and fitness, home and garden, languages, mobile, parenting and families, just go ahead and select. How to decide the best converting products, I've already covered in another video. Like I said, that video will be in the affiliate marketing series. It will also be linked in the description box below. So let's assume that we're going with employment and job, for instance, for this video. And we have chosen to promote this product, earn from your photos. The average commission is $118. So I'm guessing that this is a product that's going to be related to earning from photos one way or the other. But that's not our interest. For now, we just want to select a product. We're selecting any product at all. So once you click promote, to bring out a different place where you can get your affiliate link, you put in your account nickname and you click generate hop link. And once you have generated your hop link, you can copy it. What I would advise you to do is to go to bit.ly where you can shorten this link. Now, once you have this link shortened, the advantage of having it shortened is that it's going to allow you to see who has clicked it and from where. That's the aim of shortening your links. So if you come over here to where it says create, and if you click this one that says link, then you'll be able to paste the long URL there, and you just go ahead and click create, and it's going to create the shortened URL. And then you can also change the title if you want. You can call this whatever you want to call it. You can call it photo money, whatever you want to call it, as long as you can remember what it is. So once you save it, it's going to appear here on the left of your screen. You can always copy this link. Now this short link is what is going to appear in the description of your YouTube videos, as well as the pinned comment in the comment section. I'm going to show you where all these apply, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. Now you want to make sure that you understand the product that you're promoting. So here that it says earn from your photos, you're going to open it in a new tab. That is the sales page. And then this page that says affiliate page, you also want to open it in a new tab. This place that says affiliate page tells you the do's and don'ts of affiliates. It's also going to give you some free resources. So this one says earn 70% lifetime recurring commissions, okay, up to $250 per sale. So you read everything that they're telling affiliates. These are the vendors talking directly to affiliates. So you go ahead and read everything that the vendor has essentially told you, okay. So, and they also have affiliate tools for you. So you say enter your details below to enter our affiliate tools area. So if you put in your first name and your email address and you request to be granted access, they are going to give you access to the affiliate tools, which could include banners or anything of that nature. Then this sales page contains everything you need to know about the product. This is going to help you decide what your YouTube shorts should be about, or better put, what the content of your YouTube shorts should be. So you want to go over this page completely and understand everything that it's saying. You can click here that says learn more. So from the little I'm seeing, I'm guessing any YouTube shorts on photography or something about making money with photos is going to be fine. Now there are 2 kinds of videos that you can make. This kind of video that we just saw in this video is like a DIY video. It's like a do-it-yourself video. It's like a demonstration kind of video. And there are no better places to find this kind of videos than on Facebook. You don't want to pick videos from YouTube. If you pick a video from YouTube, the owner is going to copyright strike your video, okay, or at least claim it, and then things are just going to go downhill from then on. You do not want that. You want to go to a place where you can get videos that are not already on YouTube. So Facebook is one good place to go. There are other websites that are like YouTube but for Asian countries. Okay, you can also go there and get videos and upload to YouTube. But it's also always good to credit the creator. One, you can let the creator know that, hey, I'm using your video on YouTube and I'm also going to credit it. So it's going to be a win-win. You make money from your YouTube shorts and then the creator gets a little bit more exposure. So if you can come here and search for photography, for instance, and you come here and search videos, so you can see all the videos on photography. You can go to these videos, look for the one that aligns with the product that you are trying to sell, and once you find something that matches, of course, you can see that these videos are longer than 1 minute. YouTube shorts should always be less than 59 seconds, always be less than 59 seconds, or at most 59 seconds. So it means that once you have found the video that you want to use, you can download the video and then use any video editing software of your choice to cut out the most interesting part of the video and then join them together, but always make sure that they are at most 59 seconds long. Now, the video editing software that I personally use is Shortcut, which I'm going to pull up right now. Just a second. Yes, this is Shortcut. These are all the videos I have created using Shortcut, but you do not have to use Shortcut. You can use any other kind of video editing software that you already know. And if you do not know how to use anyone, you can go ahead and use Shortcut. Shortcut is free. You can just go ahead and download it. And if you just go to YouTube and search Shortcut tutorials, you will see tons and tons of tutorials on Shortcut. Shortcut is very easy to use. I would not be teaching Shortcut in this video because that would just make this video unbelievably too long. So these are one kind of videos that you can make. You can just go and copy people's videos and then join them together, join the interesting parts together. The second kind of videos that you can make are videos that are more information style kind of videos. Videos that tell you, did you know this, or did you know that about photography, or did you know that you can make money with your photos, and this is how to do it. I believe you get what I'm saying. Shorts that try to explain one or two things, and you can go ahead and write the content of the shorts yourself. That you can go ahead to type it. If you have your Microsoft Word, you can go ahead and type whatever you want to type. For instance, let's say, did you know that you can make money with your photos? Find out how by clicking the first link in the description. Please do not do this, because assuming this is your entire script, you really have not given any value. You haven't provided any value to the viewer, so there's no reason they're going to want to click your link. You want to first provide some value and then invite them to click your link in the description. That's what you do. And then once you have that script, use a software called Vidnami. I personally use Vidnami to create videos, as you can see. And YouTube shorts are vertically styled videos. These are some of the shorts I have created using Vidnami. Okay, I don't want to make this video a Vidnami tutorial because it's going to make this video too long. But essentially in Vidnami, all you need to do is just to paste your script, and then Vidnami creates the video for you. Okay, Vidnami creates the video for you, just like this one. So after you have your video created, you download it and then you go to your YouTube channel. Now once you're in your YouTube studio, all you need to do is to click create, and then you go ahead and upload the video. Once you click select files, it's going to open your computer, and you're going to have to select where the video you want to upload is. It could be anywhere. When you eventually find the video that you want to upload, you can just click the video and click open. So YouTube is going to drag that video from your computer and put it into your YouTube studio. Now all you need to do is to type the title of the video, fill in your description, and then put in your tags. Those are the only three things that you need to do. There will be no need for you to add a thumbnail because generally shorts do not have thumbnails. And then one other thing to remember is that the title of your shorts should be at most 40 characters long. At most 40 characters long. And always add the hashtag shorts in the title and also in the description. This is where you put your affiliate link. This one, this is where you put it. Of course, you don't want to put only this, you want to put other things as well. You want to put a description. You can add here, click here to find out. And then of course, other details about the product that you're promoting or other details about the video. Remember, the video and then the product that you're promoting, the two of them have to tally, the two of them have to go together. Right. If you made it to this point in this video, just type YouTube Shorts money in the comment section so I know that you got to this point in this video. And those of you that got to this point in this video are the guys I'm going to give the YouTube bonus I promised at the beginning of the video. At the beginning of the video, I told you I was going to show you a channel I'm personally working on right now, and I've posted a couple of videos on that channel, and only the shorts are picking up at this point in time. So this is the channel, but these are some of the videos that I have uploaded on this channel. You can see that I just have 6, 9, 12 views, 26 views. But look at this one, YouTube Shorts, 553 views. Okay, this one 157 views. So this tells you that if you create YouTube Shorts, you give your channel a greater chance to succeed. You reach a wider audience, and the more you swing, the more videos you create, the greater your chances of success. Create your own YouTube Shorts. Okay, upload it to YouTube. Send me the link to my email. I'm going to do this for only the first 5 people, just 5 people alone. Send me the link to your YouTube Shorts that you created using this method to my email. I'm going to teach you how to make your shorts better, and I'm going to review your shorts in a future video, if that makes sense. So the first 5 people I'll be doing this for, I'm going to be reviewing the shorts. Please leave me a like on this video. If a lot of all these things about affiliate marketing do not make sense to you, I created a full affiliate marketing course on this channel. The link is going to be the first in the description, and the end screens you're going to be seeing right now are videos in that playlist. Do check them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.